Ciao, benvenuto amici, which means hello, welcome, friends, and that's you. That's right. I'm Vito, Vito's Italian Cucina. Today we're going to do something so very simple. So anyway, what we're going to do today is costolette di maiale, okay? Costolette di maiale. What does that mean? That means pork chops. Right down here, look at this pork chops. Oh, look at them gorgeous pork chops we got right there. Those are bone-in pork chops. And then right next to that, right down here, is a pan that they're going to go in when they go in the oven. And then over here, right here, is one can. It's a 10-ounce can of mushroom soup with a half a can of water. And then what else I got right here that's going to go with this? Asparagus, asparagi, ciao, nice. The oven's going to be at 350 degrees, and for about 45 to 50 minutes, we'll check out the temperature gauge. Okay, here we go. Now I got it on already. As you can see, there's a little bit of olive oil on top right there. We spread it around, and we're going to go ahead and put it down, and I love to listen to the sizzle. I love that. And then we'll put down the second one. And we're going to go ahead and do a little salt and pepper. This is pepper. A little pepe. A little pepe. Come on in here a little closer. Take a look at it. There you go. And then a little sale, salt. Salt. There we go. And then I'm going to put on at the end right here, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put some garlic, some aglio, garlic. Salute. There we go. A little bit of garlic on top, just like so, on both sides. So we will do both of these on both sides. Now, go ahead and just take a look at that real close here. I'm going to go ahead and let these go ahead and brown. And sizzle. Boy, I just love that. We'll be right back. We'll turn them over. All right, we're going to go ahead and turn them. Let's take a look. Oh, gorgeous. Look at that. Just right. Just right. Oh, look at that. Look how gorgeous that is. Now I'm going to do the same thing over here. I'm going to put a little garlic on. It doesn't make any difference what you put on first or last. So right now I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of garlic. And then I'm going to do a little bit of pepe. And then I'm going to put a little bit of salt. And this is Himalayan pink salt, by the way, because it's not iodized. Anyway, that's how simple that is. You don't need no big seasoning. A little bit of garlic, aglio, a little sale, salt, and pepper. Okay. All righty, they're browned on both sides, and you're going to love it. So now, I said I was going to go ahead and put them in the pan here, but first what I'm going to do is I'm going to go use the mushroom sauce, my special mushroom sauce, very special. You'll buy it at the store, 10-ounce can, easy stuff. You take this and you put this on the bottom half. You put this on top of the olive oil, the olio, right there, just like that. And that helps you get the coating on the bottom of there, just like so. And then I go back and I get the pork chops, right? Costolette di maiale, pork chops. It's beautiful. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Now put them like this in here. Get them in there. Oh, boy. That's good. That's good. Just like that. So now that I'm finished doing that, I just go take the rest of the mushroom sauce, okay? And I just go, look, just pour it on top because I've got all the seasoning on there already. Man, look how easy this is, folks. Just all the seasonings on there. Look at that. Oh, you know what? These are going to be so tender. Unbelievably tender. Unbelievably tender. But before it goes into the oven, that's right, the old magic tin foil. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put that on top. Remember, it's at 350 for about 45 to 50 minutes. Okay. And then I have my temperature gauge that I'm going to take care of here. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put this in the oven right now. You hang out. I'm going to go put it in, and then we'll come back, and we're going to talk about the asparagus, the asparagi, okay? Don't move, please. Oh. That looks good. They're ready to go. Okay, what's up next? Some asparagus, asparagi in Italiano. Now, what we're going to do is we wash them off. I cut off all the loose ends and make it look nice and pretty. And then we're going to go over to the stovetop where I have some butter, which is burro, and olive oil. Olio, burro. Doesn't that sound like a donkey? I don't know. And anyway, come on over. We're going to put them down, and you're going to see how this goes. Check it out. Look at this. Look at how gorgeous. I'm going to put the spears towards you because it looks so gorgeous and beautiful. Of course, I had the fire on already for you. Okay, it's time to go ahead and put a little water on there to get the steam going. I love this part because I love that sizzle sound, and then it steams up real good. And watch the translucent color that they turn. Oh, it's gorgeous. Come on, look. Do I need to say anything? Stay tuned. Oh boy, there it is. There it is. Let me close this. Alrighty. The reveal time. Let's take a look, folks. Watch for the steam. Woo. Is that gorgeous or what? Is that beautiful? Isn't that beautiful? Okay, so let's go on over. Let's be careful. This is very, very hot, folks. And I got a little bit of a thing underneath. I don't want to get burned. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one. We're going to go ahead and put it up. We're going to plate it, as they say in the old restaurant business. We're going to plate it. Ready? So I'm going to go in and grab it like so. Okay. Put the bone right there. Look how gorgeous that looks like that. Oh, look at that, huh? Isn't that nice? Woo! All right, then I'm going to come over here. We're going to get some asparagus, some asparagus. We're going to go ahead and put the asparagus down. Look at how beautiful that came out, by the way. We'll go ahead and put one more in there. Right? Is that good? You like that? Now watch this. I'm going to go get this. Some nice ice-cold applesauce. I love this stuff. And then I'm just going to go ahead and put it right here. Stir it up a little bit there. It's been in the refrigerator. I'm going to put it right here like that. Look how beautiful that looks. Now, you telling me that's not a beautiful presentation right now? Huh? Is that gorgeous? Look at that. Look at that. Pork chop, asparagus, ice cold applesauce. That's right. Right here at Vito's Italian Cucina. Ciao for now.